Hello, today we are going to start our first lecture on country study of English-speaking countries, and the first lecture is Geography of the USA. The term United States, when used in geographical sense, means 48 states of continental United States, Alaska, Hawaii, Puerto Rico, Guam, and the Virgin Islands of the United States. 48 of the states are in the single region between Canada and Mexico. This group is referred to with varying precision and formality as the continental and the contiguous United States, and as the lower 48. Alaska, which is not included in the term contiguous United States, is at the northern west and of North America, separated from the lower 48 by Canada. The state of the Hawaii is an archipelago in the Pacific Ocean. Geographical position of the USA. The United States of America is a country in the Western Hemisphere. The United States shares land borders with Canada to the north and Mexico to the south, and a territorial water border with Russia in the northwest. The contiguous 48 states are otherwise bounded by the Pacific Ocean on the west, the Atlantic Ocean on the east, and the Gulf of Mexico to the southeast. Alaska borders the Pacific Ocean to the south, the Bering Strait to the west, and the Arctic Ocean to the north, while Hawaii lies far to the southwest of the mainland in the Pacific Ocean. The capital city, Washington District of Columbia, is a federal district located on land donated by the state of Maryland. Total U.S. area is 9,631,418 square kilometers. And the land areas, the top countries in order are Russia, China, the US, and Canada. State symbols of the USA. The flag of the USA. The flag of the US, also known as Old Glory, Stars and Stripes of Star-Spangled Banner, consists of 13 horizontal stripes, 7 red alternating with 6 white. The stripes represent the original 13 colonies. The stars represent the 50 states of the Union. The colors of the flag are symbolic as well. Red symbolizes hardness and valor. White symbolizes purity and innocence. And the blue represents vigilance, perseverance, and justice. The U.S. Great Seal. The image from the obverse of the Great Seal is often used informally as the national arms of the USA. It's also attached to certain documents such as foreign treaties and presidential proclamations. Both sides of the Great Seal can be seen on the back of US $1 bill. The main figure on the obverse of the seal is a bald eagle with its wings outstretched. From the eagle's perspective, it holds a bundle of 13 arrows in its left talon and an olive branch in its right talon, together symbolizing that the United States of America has a strong desire for peace but will always be ready for war. Although not specified by law, the olive branch is usually depicted with certain leaves and certain olives, again representing the 13 original states. The eagle has its head turned towards the olive branch, said to symbolize a preference for peace. In its beak, the eagle clutches a motto "E plumberis annum." Over its head there appears a glory with certain mullets on a blue field. The shield the eagle bears on its breast, though sometimes drawn incorrectly, has two main differences from the American flag. First, it has no stars on the blue chief. On it, the chief of the arms of the United States Senate may show 13 or 50, and the shield of the Commission has sometimes 50 mullets on the chief. Second, unlike the American flag, the outermost stripes are white, not red, so as not to violate the heraldic rule of tincture. The 1782 resolution adopting the seal blazons the image of the reverse as pyramid unfinished. In the zenith, an eye in a triangle surrounded by glory proper. The USA bird symbol. The American bald eagle was adopted as the official bird symbol of the United States of America in 1782. The bald eagle was chosen because its majestic beauty, great strength, long life, and because it's native to North America. The USA national anthem. The Star-Spangled Banner is the national anthem of the United States of America. The lyrics come from a poem written 1814 by Francis Scott Key, then 35-year-old amateur poet. The poem was set to the tune of a popular British dunking song To Anacreon in Heaven, written by John Stafford Smith for the Anacretic Society. The USA physical geography. The contiguous United States may be divided into 7 broad physiographical divisions. From east to west, the Atlantic Gulf coastal plain, the Appalachian Highlands, the interior plains, the interior highlands, the Rocky Mountain system, the Intermountain region, the Pacific Mountain system, and the 8th division, the Laurentian Uplands, a part of Canadian Shields, dips into the United States from Canada in the Great Lakes region. It's an area of a little local relief with an irregular drainage system and many lakes, as well as some of the oldest exposed rocks in the United States. The USA major rivers and lakes. The longest river in the United States is the Missouri River. The Missouri River starts in Montana and covers 4,090 kilometers before flowing into Mississippi River, the second longest river in the United States. The Mississippi flows to the south and empties into the Gulf of Mexico at New Orleans. The Missouri-Mississippi River system is the third longest river in the world. Another important river of the United States is Hudson River, which flows across the northeastern part of the country and empties into the Atlantic Ocean at New York. The rivers in the west of the country are unsuitable for navigation because they flow through deep canyons and are cut by numerous rapids, which fact, however, makes them a good source of electric power. The USA major mountain ranges. The country has 3 major mountain ranges. The Appalachians extend from Canada to the state of Alabama, a few hundred miles west of the Atlantic Ocean. They are the oldest of the 3 mountain ranges and offer spectacular sightseeing and excellent camping spots. The Rockies are the highest in North America, extending from Alaska to New Mexico, with many areas protected as national parks. They offer hiking, camping, and sightseeing opportunities. The combined Sierra Nevada and the Cascade ranges are the youngest. The USA major cities. The biggest city in the USA is New York City. New York, which has over 88 million people, the second biggest city in the USA is Los Angeles, California, which has almost 4 million people. Minneapolis, Minnesota is in conjunction with its neighboring city, St. Paul, has a population of more than 2 million people. St. Louis, Missouri, located on the Mississippi River, which separates Missouri from Illinois. Boston, Massachusetts. Boston is the capital of Massachusetts and is the largest city in New England. Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, founded in 1682, Philadelphia boasts a historic past. This is the city that witnessed the writing of the Declaration of Independence and the signing of the U.S. Constitution. Atlanta, Georgia, with CNN, Coca-Cola, Delta Airlines, and the United Parcel Service are headquartered there. Dallas, Texas, along with the neighboring city, is home to 5 million residents and has distinctly Western flavor. Miami, Florida, encompasses more than 80 miles of Atlantic coastline. The city is known for the Cuban flavor, beautiful beaches, and a plentiful nightlife. Las Vegas, Nevada, the entertainment capital of the world. Phoenix, Arizona, is the capital of Arizona and is known the sixth largest city in the United States with population of more than 3 million people. Seattle, Washington, is located on Puget Sound, approximately 100 miles south to the US-Canadian border. The city is home to more than 3 million people. Weather and the climate in the USA. Due to the immense size and spread of topology in the US, the climate is incredibly varied. If there is a general climate, then it is temperate, but it's also tropical in Florida and Hawaii, Arctic in Alaska, arid in Great Basin of the Southwest, and semi-arid in the Great Plains to the west of the Mississippi River. Mineral resources of the USA. The chief mineral products of the USA are in order of value petroleum, natural gas, coal, and a major petroleum and natural gas occur in Alaska, California, Louisiana, Oklahoma, and Texas. Most coal deposits lie in the interior plains and Appalachian highlands. Other important minerals include clay, copper, gold, granite, iron, limestone, salt, sand, zinc, timber. The USA economic geography. The United States has capitalistic mixed economy, which is fueled by abundant natural resources, a well-developed infrastructure, and a high productivity. Mining, the United States is a major contributor to the global mining industry, petroleum, and natural gas. So today we have covered such topics like geographical position of the USA, state symbols of the USA bird symbol, the USA national anthem, the USA physical geography, the USA major rivers and lakes, and the USA major mountains ranges. Thank you for your attention.